Hey guys, are you ready for some more Target Dollar Spot haul and toy hunt? This time with Easter goodies. I'm so excited since Easter's coming on so quick. And here's what I found at Target. Here's what I got at Target. And I'll open it right after I show you my toy hunt. And here are all the cool decorations, eggs and carrots, and look at this cool signs. Easter! Look at these jars! And stationery. Cute little things. And look at this! Garden activity kits. So in this one you'll find the bug, and these are bird houses that you can paint. And look at these garden tools, they're so cute. And some pots where you can paint and custom. And cool colorful mushrooms for decoration. And some seeds in pots where you can grow your own plants. Wow. And look at this glass tumbler. And more stationery items. Do you remember the sweet scents from my Valentine's haul? Well, now they have bigger packs. Cool monogrammed letters. And look at this wooden letters. And wooden clips, all with Easter colors. So cute. And look at this decorative eggs. So they're wooden shapes. Cool. Look at this carrots and bunnies. And I love this. It says Easter. It says bloom, spring. Adorable. What else? Oh, DIY flower kit. And of course glitter. Colorful glitter. And cool DIY canvas paints. They even give you the paint and the brush so you can paint. And look at these Shopkins! So many Shopkins goodies. I love it. Stamps and notebooks and erasers. And look at this notebook. It has colorful markers, and check out inside. It's got some stars, some stickers, and even some stencils. How cool is that? Putty eggs! Look at this bouncy bunny. They're so cute. And of course erasers and bubbles. Cool. Got some eggs. Plastic eggs with bunnies. And these are butterflies. They're awesome. I like these glittery balls. Bouncy, 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 bouncy bunny. Oh, cool. Yep. More glittery eggs. Bubbles. Look at these erasers. Bunny erasers and egg erasers. These are so tiny. Whoa, look at this. It's a pullback eraser. And bunny ears, they're so cute. And I found trolls and egg surprises here. Whoa, and stickers. Dress and play. These are the create your own sticker scene. They're so cute. Look, Frozen. Nice. And Minnie Mouse. I love the Buffy stickers. And look, paint your own Minion statue. Now it's time to open what I got. I'm so excited. So I couldn't resist. I got this Frozen sticker dress and play sticker activity. They come with puffy stickers. And look, there's Elsa and Anna. So adorable. And it comes with two beautiful sceneries. One, it's this enchanted snowy woods. It's amazing. Look at their dresses. Okay, all right, let's get them dressed. So I'll just take Anna and place her, not the castle. Let's just get her in the woods. Those woods where she met Olaf. We gotta get an Olaf there too. So, but first we're gonna dress her up. Let's just give her a dress. There. And at top, cute, 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 cute. Now it's time to get Olaf in there. Hi, Olaf. Oh, this is too big. Let's create the most beautiful, beautiful frozen scene with Anna and Olaf. And what else? Let's get some snowflakes. This beautiful snowflakes. We're gonna make it snow there. Cool. It's so beautiful. All right, and I couldn't resist. I just had to get this Easter sign. Look at this golden color with turquoise. It's amazing. Stay there. All right. What else? What else? What else? Whoa. Easter eggs. And these are erasers. And next, I found this Marshall eraser. He's so cute. And let's see what else. An Elsa eraser. I got so many erasers. I just love them. They're cute. And a puppy eraser. It says it comes with real troll hair. That's so funny. All right, what next? And I got this carrot and bunny pullback eraser. So let me show you how it works. It's really fun to play with though. And plus, how cool is that? It's a carrot. It's a carrot car. Ready, set. So you just pull it back and it goes. There. Look at this cutie bunny. So tiny. And I love the carrot car. It's amazing. It's a great Easter idea. And what else? What else? I got this eggs. So Star Wars color and stick activity. Let's see what's in there. Whoa, stickers and crayons. Nice. That's so cool. So let's open it up. Okay, here are the stickers. Some cool Star Wars figures. And oh my goodness, I love Rey. Okay, so next. Oh, here's here. Okay, so you get this crayons and you can color in these little pages. Got the orange and green, and we got all this three. Nice. And that's how it looks like. Color the scene. Nice. Let's add some stickers here. Nice. And maybe this one. Okay, I gotta use Rey sticker. She's so cool. There. And let's see what's in the next one. This one is with Minnie Mouse. Come on, open, open, open. Eee! There you go. Oh, again, so we got stickers, we got the coloring pages, and we got crayons. but this time we got with Minnie Mouse theme. Look at her! Look at the bows and the hearts. And here are the coloring pages. Minnie Mouse. Sweet, chic, and unique. And the crayons. We got red, yellow, blue, and pink. So, nice. I love the crayons and the surprise eggs. It's a pretty nice surprise. And check it out! I got the putty eggs! So these are Easter eggs filled with cool, colorful putty. And we have the yellow chick, the blue egg, the pink egg. Oops! And I got this carrot egg, orange color. Ta-da! So now I took off the tags and we can take a closer look. Let's do this one first. Okay, so this is a chicken, yellow chick egg. And look! I love this putty. It's clear and it's stretchy. Whoa, nice. Okay, come out, come out. Doo-doo. Now it's time to play. Squish. Squishy, sticky, stretchy putty. There. It feels so cool. It's a really cool texture. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Look at this color. It's beautiful. And check it out. Do you see something inside? Look, look, look. Let's open it again. Whoa! I see a kitty cat. It's one of those crystal babies. It's so cute. I found the surprise in my egg. Yay! Next, let's check out this pink egg. That's adorable. Open up. Whoa! Shaky, 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 shaky. It stays there. Look at this beautiful pink color, and it's like a see-through color, but it's still got some pigment. Very pretty pink. Let's model it a little bit, squish it and stretch it. Feels like a cool texture, like kind of chill, you know. It's nice. Yay! Squish, squish, squish. Okay, let's put it back. But wait! Do I see another surprise in this one? I see something in there. Look! That's Sadie the soccer ball. It's from Shopkins Season 5. Next is time for the carrot. Open, open, open. It's so stretchy. Whoa, let's stretch it out. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. It's like a jelly. Whoa, come out. There you are. Look at this one. It's got a beautiful, like, golden orangey color. Eee! So amazing. Stretch it out. Stretch, stretch. Whoa, nice. Stretch. And squeeze it really hard. Okay. Oh my goodness, wait! I see another surprise in this one too. Whoa, and it's Max from The Secret Life of Pets. Hi, Max. And one more egg. Look at this aqua blue. And I like that it has the little dots. That's cute. Stretch it out. How much can we stretch this? Let's see. Like this. That's nice. Come out. There. And it's see-through. Whoa, this one looks like glass. Look. Can we see through it? Yes, we can. It's kind of funny and blurry. That's cute. Alright, but wait. Do we have a surprise in this one? I don't see one. Can you see? Let's open and just double check. Can we find the surprise? Where is it? Do you see that? There's something in there. Something. Oh, look, you can see it. What is that? Whoa, that's an adorable crystal baby, and it's a little pig. And it's just the same color as the putty. That's why we can see it. Look at this together. It's so hard to just tell them apart. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and hop on to my next video. And quick question, what did I find in the blue egg? The pig or the pony? Was it Pinkie Pie or the crystal baby? So comment down below. And a quick update on my animals. If you remember my previous video, check out the link below as well. So here is how they turned in, how much was it? It was like a week. So the lion and the giraffe, I just kind of left them in the water, so they're still big. They didn't grow much bigger. The foam shapes are exactly the same. Of course, they're not gonna change. Look at this. They're so cool though. Squishy. And I'll show you, look. Okay, so these two were out of the water for a week and they shrunk almost to their first size, almost shrunk back. So look at the big difference. So here's in the water and the little tiger is out of the water. So cute. Well, anyway, check down the link below if you wanna see that video. It's so cool. I loved this project. Look how squishy they are. So soft. Nice. Bye guys.